Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Hello world. Hello world. Okay. Hello. Oops. Let's get rid of this. Or should we just hide it for now? There you go. What's up? What's up, everyone? Welcome to our Wednesday stream. I don't even know if we should call this Wednesday stream. I'll explain further later. But let me just take care of the stuff that I need before we begin. That's not what I'm trying to do. Where are my settings? Hello, nobody knows. I know you, so that's not true at all. I like your username though. What's up? Hello. How you doing? How's your day so far? Let's pop out the chat from Twitch. Perfect. Let's put you here. There you go. Okay, perfect. I think we are ready. I believe we are. Hello everyone, welcome to our Wednesday stream. My name is Bernard, and I'll be taking the stage today. Marco will not be able to do the live stream today, as well as next week. I will explain later. But today I'll be taking care of the stream. So if there's any stuff that you wanna share, discuss, questions, whatever that is, it's me, and I'll be taking care of those questions. Hello, Marcode. I like your name. You see, that is a good name. I don't know if that's intentional. I don't know if you did it intentionally, but if only Marco was doing the live stream today, he will be happy. I'm not sure if he'll be happy because you spelled your name with a C. So that's something probably he'll be mad about. But hello, Marcode. I like your username. I'm a big fan of that name. It's really interesting and unique. Marcode. I see what you did there. But yeah, welcome. Welcome to our stream. How is everybody doing? Today, the whole point of this live stream is just to update and just share stuff that has happened in the community and changes that might happen, quote unquote. So that's the whole point of this stream. But of course, I will not forget the questions that if you have serious topics that you want to share with us. Yeah, this is the right moment to ask those questions, okay? So if you are one of my students, either Udemy or Weekly How, feel free to share it here. From Jerome, hey Weekly, I started to build my first premium Shopify theme thanks to your Udemy course. Cheers to you. Cheers to you. Let's give a round of applause to Jerome for being able to build a successful or a premium Shopify theme thanks to our courses. I really appreciate that. So thank you so much, Jerome, for sharing this great news. I recently worked on a new update for at least for the Shopify Liquid course. Okay, I uploaded a new lesson. I updated a lesson. So if you have that course, you probably have seen what is the update. Though I'm not going to share what it is. It's for you to know. Are you on Discord? That's a great question. Nobody knows. You're asking the right questions. So if you're, speaking of that, if you're not part of our Discord server. The link should be in the description below. If you're watching this on YouTube, everything should be in the description below. Otherwise, we've been having this issue for many streams. If it hasn't worked, then let me know and I'll create a new link where you can join our Discord server. Maybe I can do it now and I'll just pin it to the chat. Share, invite, copy. I'll paste it here and I'll just say join our Discord right here. There we go. And I will just pin that message. There we go. So if you haven't joined our Discord server, the link is in the chat right here or down there if you're watching this either on Twitch or on YouTube. But welcome to our stream. It's good to see new faces. It's my first time seeing your mark code. It's my first time seeing... No. Nobody knows. I think this is also my first time seeing you here. If you're a first timer here, I'm so happy that you have joined us. Oh, that's great. Thank you. Thank you for being part of our community. We're not that big yet. I mean, we had 100 members, but most of them, I'm not sure if they're active or no. Speaking of that, yeah, I apologize if sometimes I'm inactive in our community. It's just so many stuff that I need to take care of, and honestly, next week is gonna be... Oh, Can! Oh, that was you! Holy... I know you then. What do you mean nobody knows? I know you then. You're one of our great asset in the community. What happened? Why you change your name? Must have be an issue or whatever. But yeah, I really like what you said. Previously, you had an idea building something. But yeah, at this point, honestly, it's very difficult to find someone to collaborate with. Because first of all, I mean, most of us want to, make profit. Collaborating with someone, it's either you do it open source or no. If you develop it open source, at least there is a publicity, there is a value there that you have worked on something and it's public. Everyone can see it. But when it's like a privatized project, it can be a bit demanding of your time. Especially the fact that it's a big project. Yeah. It's difficult to develop with or to collaborate with other developers when money is not involved. I mean, it is involved in a way. Like, you'll only make profit once you're able to sell it or publish it on the Shopify theme store. That's the only time. But there are risks in that collaboration. Like, what if it doesn't work? Right? So you just wasted time together when you could have worked on an actual with an actual company. So yeah, there's a lot of risk needed to be taken when you collaborate with someone or you're asking for people to work with you free of charge. It honestly became a meme as well. Like, um, where's that? I forgot the website where people asking for like exaggerated projects, really ridiculous project. I think it's Upwork. Upwork, right? In Upwork, there are job posts where this it always starts with I have an idea of an app. I want to create a social media for cats. It always starts with that. It became a meme. And you know how much they pay? They pay $100, $400. And then when you start talking with each other, they'll be like, it's easy. It shouldn't be that hard, right? ChatGPT is a thing. I'm sure you'll be able to create that. You can just ask to create it and then copy the code. And there you go. I will pay you $200. But like, if that's just easy, why not do it yourself? What are you talking about? Why don't you do it yourself? Go to ChatGPT, prompt it, develop the app yourself. If you think that's easy, I just honestly that's one of the things that annoys me as well. Like those clients that just don't know how it works, but they think that they know it and they assume that it's easy when in fact it takes a lot of time. As honestly, time is always difficult to discuss because whenever you develop something, people or at least clients will always ask, how long does it take? Will it take 2 weeks? Will it take a week? Will it take a month? Will it take 6 months? Right? Because they want to compress it as much as possible. They want to save money as much as possible. Hey, Weekly, I don't mean to pry, but do you work as a Shopify developer? If not, you need to be straight up. Oh wow, that's a very, very straight to the point question. I still work as a Shopify developer technically because I still make Shopify themes on the side, just making little components here and there. But I don't do big projects anymore. That's it. Because I have a work, I'm working as a full stack developer, and I'm also doing YouTube, and I'm also doing other stuff, personal projects. So I would say if I can put it in a percentage, I'm working 60% as a full stack developer for other company. I'm working 30% as a content creator, YouTube, this whole thing that we're doing, that's 30%, and 10% is for my personal projects, music, other creative stuff. Yeah. So I wouldn't say that I'm doing a lot of Shopify development unless I do videos about it, like for example, the last video that I just uploaded, Shopify app development. That makes me a Shopify developer because I developed something just for the video though. But with clients, I don't work a lot anymore. Maybe in the future I'll come back to it. But right now, as much as possible, I'm trying to, learn, experience as much as possible in terms of development or programming. Because after this, I've been working for 5 months. I've been working for 5 months plus the internship. That's 3 months. August, September. No, 6 months. Almost a year. I've been working for almost a year now, and I've learned so many stuff when it comes to development of an app development, backend development. I've learned so many things with Python, making an API. yeah, so that's my focus for now. So I can make sure that I know how to develop a project, whether it's a Shopify app or Shopify theme or a regular website. Yeah, just gathering experience. That's my goal at the moment. Yeah, great question. Oh, hey, Bleached. How's it going? Welcome. I kind of missed you. This is me, just me. No Marco, no boss. It's just me, Bernard. It's been a while. It's been a while I've done this just myself. I'll explain why I'm doing this. Well, the reason why it's just me, Marco is not here, is because Marco is on a break. He was actually sick, so he took a day off last week as well. I was not able to join the the latest short. Oh, I want to talk about the latest short. If you guys have watched the previous short, let me know. I enjoyed working on that, by the way. But yeah, I was not able to join that because I took a day off. No, seriously though, yeah, we will not be able to do live stream next week. That's out there because next week I will be going to Italy. I will be going to Italy, the country of Marco. Marco is going to Italy next week. For what? Just for work. So I won't be able to live stream. I won't be able to publish anything. I'll try to work on a short though. Just yeah, as much as possible on this weekend. I'll try to at least work on a short, so at least I can schedule it for Tuesday. Because as much as I'm trying to be consistent. I am so happy that I'm so consistent. For how long? I've been consistent for how long? Hold on. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. At least in terms of shorts, I started being consistent since April. May 22nd. When I moved here, that's the time I was able to be consistent. May 22nd. Let me share how it looks like. So it all started here, right? May 22nd. I mean, I did publish April 8th, but that's a very long time ago. May 22nd, this is the time I moved here, close. And 28th, I published. June 4, 11, 18, 25th, and July 2. I am more consistent this year. And I'm so proud of myself for being able to do that. And look at that. Look at our views, guys. It all started here. Do you pronounce it like GIF or GIF? It reached 3K. So happy with that. Got 74 likes. And then boom, I did the online classes be like. Another 3K. Didn't reach the previous one, but at least that's good. And then the most outrageous programming competition. Bam! 10K. With 200 likes and 13 haters. Hold on. There's a new chat on Twitch. Hi. Anyone ever tell you you look like the YouTuber Mark? What? Why would you say it? What? You know, I'm Asian, right? But thank you. Marquez is handsome. I'll take that. Okay? Marquez is handsome, and honestly, I'm a big fan of him. I always watch his new tech-related videos. It's all, especially if it's I like the way he creates videos. So, yes, I see 85% similarity. Where? Let me know where. Let me know. Is it the skin? Is it? Sorry. I'm sorry. No, I didn't mean that. That's awesome. Lol. Wait, hold on. Let me go back to the chat. How's it going? Yeah, it's Bernard. That's awesome. Lol, sorry. The forwardness. So, would you say your stack is Python on the back end and JavaScript on the front end? That's a great question, Jerome. Well, I used to work with Next.js. Next.js is always where I work with APIs. Um, yeah. But Python, honestly, yeah, it's much easier. I find it easier to develop an API with Python. So you can create MVCs, model, views controller. Very, very straightforward. I like it. And what else? We love the normal Bernard. Thank you, Bleached. Awesome. Let's go. We need a Marco vlog. Honestly, I can't. I can't because it's work related. I wish I can. I can't. It's very very tight. Yeah, 2 months almost. Shorts is the way to grow, man. Marcus Brownlee when he does programming. If Marcus was, the ears give it away. Is it the ears? Okay, let's take a look at the close up shot. What do you mean? Am I missing something? Am I missing something? Where is the similarity? Marcus Brownlee. I mean, I mean, I mean, I mean, I'll take that. This is the weirdest comparison I've ever I've ever received. But thank you. That's funny. That's funny. Thank you. Squared Mo, Squared Mo, and also welcome to our stream. It's good to see you. It's good to have you here, and I hope you enjoy your stay if you ever want to stay. If you have no idea what we're doing, most of the time we're just chilling. I'm trying to ask. No, I'm trying to answer questions related to programming, mainly Shopify development stuff. But today, most likely won't happen a lot because I'm trying to just update and just look back at what happened. You guys noticed we're almost halfway. No, we're already halfway. 2024. It's already the 7th. It's July already. So we still have 5 months, 6 months before 2024 ends. Do you guys remember our 2024 video? Do you guys remember that? I told you to comment your goals, and I remember Bleach said he wants to have a girlfriend, right? You guys managed to reach your goals at least 6 months later? Because I did. This is my new glasses. I finally have glasses. I can finally see from afar. Right now I can't see my camera, but wearing this allows me to look at myself in the camera, which is good. Oh, I see. It's definitely the skin for me between the two of you. uh, uh, yeah, sure. Sure. I'll take that. I'll take that as a win. It's definitely not the hair. I have a long hair and he has like a bit short hair. If I put my hair like this, I'll more look like uh I don't know. Well, I certainly do have one. I accomplished almost 85 to 90% of my goals. Ooh, that is that is great. Congratulations, Bleach. I'm very proud of you. We're very proud of you from the community, all of us here. So, congrats. In a way, I did as well. I did achieve some of the goals I wanted. I finally got my glasses. That's good. Um, what else? Therapy. I said like I'm going to see a therapist. Um, I didn't. I didn't really work with someone, which is quite unfortunate. Um, so I would say that's already a fail. I I didn't work out a lot. That's another one. But the most important goal I really want to achieve is to be consistent on my personal projects and my um, weekly how. I was more consistent and I'm so happy. And I look forward to what's coming. I look forward to what I can create more. And everything that just happened recently with the shorts blowing up, reaching 14K, it's mind blowing, and I'm really happy, and that's why I just want to share this great news to every single one of you, and I just want to say thank you because of you, because of the time you put out and you shared with me, even here on live stream, you share it with me. I am grateful with it. So, cheers to you. We don't have drinks, so I apologize. But toast. I'm also reaching my goals in the gym. Oh, that's great. I hope I can do that before the year ends. Means a lot. Therapy is a scam. Personal opinion. Honestly, yeah, I agree. I did went to a therapist back in 2017, I think, around those years, because those are the times where I was it 2017? No, 2016. 2016 because that's the end of my first YouTube channel. The end of my first YouTube channel, and I was so depressed by it because I love doing YouTube. I love doing this. And I got depressed and I needed money. I needed to work. I can't find a work. I've been looking for work. I can't find one. And I decided to see a therapist about it, and oh boy, it was a wild experience because he was basically just sitting there asking questions that I don't think helped at all. It sounded more like an interview, you know. I think it's more a way to vent your frustrations, but that's not me. I don't vent my frustrations. That doesn't work that way. I like to get opinions. What did I do wrong? What should I do? You know. But that therapy session that felt more like a one-on-one interview. Like he's asking me questions. Why is that? With no context, right? So yeah, I kind of agree. Maybe it's just my bad experience with therapists. I'm sure there are great ones. So yeah, that's what I did, and yeah, I guess there's not much. I didn't say much in my 2024 video. We can take a look at it. YouTube. YouTube. We can close this. Hold on. Yeah, this one right here. Honestly, this is one of my favorites yearly video. I really enjoyed working on this, though it's a bit depressing. It's a bit depressing, and I'm just really broken in this video. But I try my best to at least be positive halfway through, at least around here.
The music, please. All right, boys, listen up. Here's what we're gonna do for the next year, or what I'm gonna do next year, because this is my list.
Do I look different?
Number one, I'm gonna get myself a new set of eyes.
Let's go, boys!
I'm gonna get an eyeglasses because
go!
I can't see anymore. In fact, I can't even see myself in the camera. I'm not even sure if I'm inside of a frame. I hope I am. Because yeah, everything here is a bit blurry now. So that's what I'm gonna do next year. In fact, I have already set up an appointment. So around January, I will have an eyeglass.
I did went to a doctor on January, and it took me February, March, April, May, June. It took me 6 months to actually get the glasses because I'm just procrastinating. First of all, it's not easy. Okay. Because I'm not good at French. I don't speak a lot of French. I'm trying to be more consistent. But it took time. It took time. And just last month, I decided to went to an actual shop. And I went there. Bonjour. Je voudrais... Comment on dit ça? What do you call this again? Shit. Where's my French? Eyeglasses in French. How do you say it? Lunette. Les lunettes. Voila. So, yeah, I need to talk in French. Everything in French. And it went crazy because the person kept asking me if I also want sunglasses with like where I can see far. The same thing as this, but sunglasses. I said, no, I just wanted glasses. And she kept insisting I should get this and she should get that. No, I was like, no. Oh, I just want glasses. And finally she stopped like insisting. And voila, there's it. I got my glasses. You look older now. Damn. Do I look older? I guess I would say yeah. I matured better. Better? Did I? From sorry to interrupt. From Marco, my favorite viewer today, because your name is Marco. I have a question. I am new to the community and even to learning Shopify. Oh, please don't hesitate to ask good questions. It's my job at least to help you, even in just a small help. So don't hesitate to ask questions. Okay, we're here all together. At least I hope I can help in just a little bit. You definitely look older now. Well, I agree. I have grown. In just 6 months, I have grown. So thanks for that. I want to purchase your course. Learn Shopify app development and create Shopify apps using vanilla PHP, GraphQL, and REST API, and more. That I saw on Udemy. Okay. What is the question? What is the question? But I noticed that the last update was in December 2023, and I wanted to know if it can still be used to create apps in 2024. That is a great question. In a way, it can still help you develop Shopify apps because it just teaches you how to connect to an API, how to use Shopify App Bridge. You know, as long as you know the concept of those things, connecting to an API, developing your own utility functions to connect to Shopify API, you'll be able to create a Shopify app. The only difference now is that Shopify is insisting that you use Shopify CLI. That's it. It's also very different now compared to previous years, especially the authentications, OAuth. I'm not sure if you have to give the same metadatas, metafields, or attributes. I'm not sure. I haven't looked at it a lot. But yeah, if you want to at least learn the concept of Shopify API, Shopify App Bridge, it will help you. But if you're looking for updated course, honestly, it's never updated. Yeah, it's not up to date. I agree. I'm not gonna lie about that. I'm not going to endorse my course. Hey, take it. It's still up to date. And you'll be disappointed. Honestly, I would say you'll be disappointed because it's not up to date. I tried to update it, but Shopify just keeps updating and then it gets outdated. So I just stopped bothering, honestly. I apologize to those of you who want to take it. But like I said, I'm trying to look at it more. I just updated the Shopify Liquid course. So I'll look at the others as well. At least that's the plan. Okay? Thanks for the question, Marco. I hope that something will help you decide whether you take it or not. But if you just really want to create a Shopify app, honestly, I did have a video, Shopify App Development 2024. It's literally just 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago? Last week. That was last week. And that will help you in a way get started. Yeah. At least that's very up to date. But the difference is the tools that you're working with. You're working with Remix. You're working with JavaScript. You're working with Shopify CLI. If you are a PHP developer, that's probably something that might not suit you. Yeah. But honestly, it's not that difficult to develop Shopify apps with JavaScript. As long as you know the concept of app development, programming, it's possible. I can tell you all the Shopify theme course is still sold after this update. I still pull from that course for code. The Shopify theme course, yeah. Because the thing with Shopify theme development is that it's consistent with updates. Like, there are new updates, yeah. But the only difference is that the structure of Shopify admin, it looks different. It's not the same as before. But the architecture, the structure of themes are still the same. You have the layout, you have the assets, you have the snippets, you have the sections. It's still the same. So it's much easier to say, okay, my Shopify theme development is still good. You can take that. You'll learn a lot from it. But Shopify apps, Shopify app development course, boy, it's hard to say. Because first of all, literally, was it a few days ago? Last week, when I published my app development video, Shopify released the new update, the new summer 2024. That's another update. And before that, developing a Shopify app, you do not need to install Shopify CLI. That's previously. And then weeks later, they decided, you know what? Let's bring back Shopify CLI. You need to use Shopify CLI to create a Shopify app. I was like, what? Why are we not so consistent? That's something that honestly frustrates me the most when it comes to Shopify app development because it's not consistent. They keep changing it. I don't know what their plan is, but that's just how it is. So that's the difference between Shopify app and theme development. That's why I prefer the theme development more because they're consistent with updates. It's easy to work with. But yeah, that's it. If you ever decide to take the app development courses, I will already say it. I apologize if it's not up to date. But yeah, I I did try to create a remix course. I did try, but it takes a lot of my time, a lot of effort. It took a lot of um, frustrations, and at the end of the day, I just decided, you know what, it's not it. So I just stopped updating it. Honestly, I can make a course. I can just in one go. I can record my screen and start talking, but that's not how I work. How I work is I write scripts. I write the pointers that I need to talk about to make sure that it's quality. Make sure that it's something that will help you. So it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time and effort, and then the editing as well. The editing takes a lot of time. The reason why it takes a lot of time, and that is because I edit two versions of videos. I'm not sure you'll ever experience this because most people will be going to Udemy because it's cheaper. But I try to make it different from Weekly House course to Udemy's course. With Weekly House course, it's more refined and it's more easier to understand because there are edits that will make it more interactive, for example. Whereas the Udemy courses, I try to make it more simpler because I don't want to make it unfair. You know, I don't want to be treated unfairly. Because with Udemy, honestly, Udemy doesn't really benefit me a lot. Like when it comes to revenue share, boy, they're harsh with revenue share. So sometimes I get demotivated to work with them because they take most of the revenue, they take most of the profits. But that's just how it is. So I try my best to at least promote Weekly House courses. So if you are a student on my own platform, shout out to you. Thanks to you for being part of it. But also if you're from Udemy, thank you as well. Thank you for enjoying it. Thank you for finishing it. Honestly, I've received a couple of new mentions, especially on LinkedIn, posting that they have finished the courses with the certificate. I mean, it means a lot to me. That's all. Do you mean this course, Shopify Theme Development Online Store 2.0 plus Tailwind CSS? Yes, that one. That's the only Shopify theme course I have, I believe. No, there's another one. The Shopify Theme Kit. Yeah, that one is the oldest Shopify theme course. Yeah. Even that course, honestly, even the Shopify Theme Kit, it's still valuable to this day because there are online stores that is not a JSON template theme, but more like online store 1.0, the old architecture of Shopify. There's still themes like that, and they take my course and they're able to understand the liquid templates, the objects that do not work anymore. That's always the issue. The content for index That liquid object is so frustrating to work with. I don't know what's the plan of Shopify with that. But yeah, it's not working properly when you're working with liquid templates. Well, hey, thank you for the questions. I really appreciate that. Let me know if you ever decide to if you have questions related to my courses. I'll try my best to be transparent and honest. At least that's my image that I wanna put out there. Okay, let's proceed. I don't know where we are.
So prepare yourself. I'm gonna have something like this.
Not really.
Does that suit me?
Yes, it does.
I wanna die. Next up, number 2, I will start working out again. I used to work out, but not anymore. I used to have abs. I used to have good shoulders, but not anymore. So this one I'm gonna do next year. I'll continue working out. And
I like
right
the
now,
shot. I like the shot.
I'm just running. That's all I do. And it feels great. I feel good about it.
Typical
And
vlog.
Also, I started taking, protein shake.
One sec. Still have it. I have not finished this. I still have this.
Whatever you call them. And yeah, hopefully next year I'll look much healthier and happier. Speaking of happier, number 3, I will see a therapist more often.
But honestly though, I'm more happier. I'm really, really happy. And I feel like my mental state it's good. It's in a good state. I'm surrounded by good people, by fun ones, with friends, family, loved ones. I'm surrounded by you guys who support me, who, stays with me and give me the support and the love that I need, that I crave. And thanks to all of you, I'm happy. Yeah.
So I can ask questions and understand myself more. So my message to you, Bernard, of the future, next year, come here, come close, listen up. I want you to tell it to my face, this face right here.
Shut up!
By the time you watch this video, I want you to tell to my face that you are happy and free.
I'm happy.
Okay?
What
I know
you...
you're watching this.
Yeah, I am watching.
Understand?
I do understand, but I'm happy.
Good. All right, next up. Next up, number 4, I really need to understand filming more. I really need to understand my tools, how to use them, and just to make them work. Because sometimes it looks good, sometimes it doesn't look good. And that's one of my issues. One of my issues, in fact, is...
If you have watched my my recent videos, what do you think? Did I improve in cinematography? Did I improve making videos? Okay. Did I ever improve? You guys ever notice the quality of my videos? Let's start from... Which one is the last? Okay, I believe this is the last one. I know. All right. It's dark. The color grading is not the best one, but hey,
no way.
I'm proud of the way I frame stuff, the way I use color grading here. I'm happy. Okay, I'm proud of my work. But this one, honestly, I'm happy with this.
Hard. So is Shopify development.
The way I framed
You've got
it.
to learn Shopify apps,
with
everything,
jokes,
so that
the
I
jokes.
can learn everything.
There you go. I'm proud of those things that I just implemented in my recent videos. And of course, the remix app. This one honestly took 1 month. But I'm proud of my work.
Make a Shopify tutorial on Remix. We want more Shopify app tutorial. Where are your Shopify app lessons? I want to make apps for Shop.
You guys ask for it, so I will deliver. But first, it is a fact that Shopify app development is different than before, and it will never ever be the same. Do you guys remember back in 2021 when Shopify had this build a Shopify app with Node and React, where you have to manually set up your app, create your project folder. Literally, you had to install the project libraries and create the project pages. Those were the tough times.
But now, with just a single command, you can already create.
You see the big difference? Compare that to my previous videos. Compare it. Compare it here. For example, where's my let's find a bit of a very old video. This one is legendary. Whether you are new to Shopify or you're already a Shopify store owner, you've probably encountered a code that looks something like this. This is Shopify Liquid, a template language created by Shopify that serves as a framework for all Shopify themes. Compare it! This is me. This is the new one. Which one looks better? You gotta say it to my face. Which one is better? Of course, this one. Because I get to learn new things, learn how to color grade, learn how to properly use my tools, my camera, pick the right what do you call it again? Record in RAW. What is it called again? LUT. L-U-T. That's it. So I'm looking for that word. Use the right LUT. Even in like sounds. I did a lot of research when it comes to music and sounds. It's very important. Like you can have the shittiest video, honestly. You can have a shittiest camera. Sound is much more important.
Your first Shopify app with everything set up for you. I'm talking about
those effects, like, right? It gives more interactivity in your videos. And this thing right here, this is created with Blender. I literally made this with Blender. Okay, let's do behind the scene. Let's do behind the scene. Okay, so I did Blender. I used Blender. Where's my... Is it the one? Yeah, this is the one. So you can't tell me I didn't do it. I created this simple area. I used lights. Basically, I created all this environment. I added also a bit of what do you call it again? Subliminal messages here. I'm not sure if you'll ever understand where it is or where you'll find it. I put some messages, hidden messages. It's not in the texture mode, so you will not see it, but in the texture mode, somewhere out there is something hidden. Honestly, I don't know if it's visible, but somewhere out here there's a hidden message. And I learned all of this, nodes. It's not easy, huh? And it took a bit of time to render this because my computer sucked. So yeah, this is the result of that.
Database first Shopify app with everything set up for you. I'm talking about database or sessions.
I think it's catched.
Utility, everything set up for you. I'm talking about database or sessions, utility functions, routes, and many more. All of this thanks to Shopify CLI. Now in today's video, I'll show you how to create your very first Shopify
the music selection as
app.
well. It's very important. I literally looked for the right music so that I can transition from one topic to another. It's very important for me.
Now I'll give you an overview on what you'll be working on today. But before you start building your Shopify Remix app, you need to know the required tools. First, you need to make sure that you have NPM installed to your computer. Now, what is NPM? NPM is a package manager.
Honestly, if you want to watch this, feel free to watch it. But my point is, all the things I did recently, it's much better compared to the old videos I did.
In today's video, we'll take a closer look at Shopify Liquid. We'll start by understanding Shopify Liquid further, and then
I'm planning on learning 3JS and Blender. How do you like the program? Is it hard to learn? I did have experience with Blender, honestly. So personally, it's a bit of a bias because I already have advantage. I know it already. But for a perspective of a newbie or beginner, I think it's manageable. Like, you'll learn how to model an object, how to model or to texture an object. It's pretty straightforward. There is a tab where you can texture or paint it. Nodes, very easy. Very, very easy to learn. Yeah, I like it. If your question if I really liked it. It reminds me of my past. Remember, many years ago, I used to be a Unity developer. I used to do games. It just reminded me. It just reminded me when I'm struggling, you know, in the industry. It just reminded me of how difficult it is to find a job, how to survive, and the struggles that I went through with Unity development, with programming. It just came back to me when I opened the Blender app. It brought tears to my eyes when I laid eyes on this whole window with just a cube. It brought so many emotions. And by remembering the past, I become a stronger version of myself. And that's something that I will carry for the rest of my life. So if you want to learn it, I would say that you enjoy it. Enjoy the process. It can be difficult at times. It can bring bizarre emotions close to you. But at the end of the day, it's something that you will enjoy. Okay? It's something that you will tell yourself someday that I'm so proud of myself. I'm grateful that I did this. You can do it. If you want, no excuse. There is no excuse but to just keep going. I tell you that. There's no options. There are no options. Your only option is to do it. Just do it. Just do it. It's really fun. It's really fun. You like it. Because I did like it. Am I a good streamer? Is that how you stream? You just start something dramatic and make it entertaining. Did I entertain? Is it not entertaining? maybe not. But hey, thank you guys for joining tonight's stream. Once again, there will be no stream next week because I will be in Italy. I'll be flying, which is, yeah, unfortunate that I won't be able to see you guys. I won't be able to hang out with you guys, even just for a little bit. Yeah. But hey, I get to spend time with you personally tonight. So thank you. Thank you for hanging out with me. And thanks for the questions again. Shout out to Mark Code, to Jerome Young, to Ken, of course. Shout out to every single one of you. And thank you. Thank you to every single one of you who watched the shorts, because you watched it. It increased the possibility of it getting shared to others. It helped the algorithm. So yeah, that's something I want to say before we end. Okay, I've been streaming for 1 hour now, so I think I will be leaving soon. Unless there is one last question that I can answer before I leave. Because honestly, I didn't want to stay much because I have another thing to do. So I need to work on another short before Monday. There's gonna be a tight schedule. I need to write a script, and I need to make sure that it's better than the previous one. I try my best. It's crazy. I tried to up the previous one. So far I'm doing good. But I'm scared that at some point I'll be exhausted. I'll run out of ideas. But I'll try to be consistent. That's what we're going to do. There's gonna be another video soon. I'm working on another script, an actual video, an actual content. So let me know if you guys have any requests. Let me know in the Discord server or let me know in the chat. Let me know in the comments as well. If you guys have one. Other than that, more contents. They're coming soon. Live stream, they'll stay. Shorts, more of it is going to come. And I plan to also be consistent on other social media. I'll probably be back on. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do Twitter. But I'll probably come back there soon. I'll start working on Instagram as well. The Weekly House Instagram. I'll probably post my shorts there as reels. Because on Instagram you can post 90 seconds. So that's a good idea. If you want to watch it there, there's longer version of it. And probably on TikTok as well. Not sure if I'll make that promise, but that's in my head. Okay. But yeah, thanks everyone for joining tonight's stream. It's time for me to go as I am hungry and I need to eat. I'll be making something spicy. Kimchi. I'm gonna be making kimchi fried rice. How are we doing? I think I should end the video. Hold on. I'm hallucinating. What the shit? I swear to God, I saw something walking past here. Anyway, let's move on.
The focus. Because number one, I can't see. I don't know if I'm focused or not. Number two, I am just too dumb. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. And another thing is I don't want to buy new stuff like another lens, another camera.
Hey Renee, how's it going? I'm about to end the live stream very soon. I'm sorry. Marco is not here. The boss is not here. They're on a vacation, and next week there will be no stream. Just so you know, because I'm going to Italy. I'll be traveling. I'll be going to Marco's hometown. I'll be going to Marco's place, country. I'll be meeting his parents. It's gonna be a good time. I apologize. Yeah, I didn't plan to stay that much time, that much long. But yeah, basically what happened tonight, I just like shared great news that we finally reached 14K on our YouTube Shorts. We did that. Let's give ourselves a round of applause because that is something that I didn't expect to happen. I was just literally having fun with shorts, trying to be consistent, and then bam, the GIF video reached 3K. The online programming classes reached 3K. And then the next one, which one is it again? The competition reached 10K. God damn. And then the recent one, the previous video, the previous YouTube short reached 14K. 14K. Can we give a round of applause to the hard work that we did? Okay? Can we give a round of applause? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We did our best. We did everything to make it possible. Without your support, all this wouldn't be possible. So thank you. It's fine. You can stop clapping. I said it's fine. Guys. No, What? Thank you. But thank you. Okay. Let me just end the speech. Because we reached that, I strive to be better at it. So for this whole weekend, I'll write something more controversial than that. Honestly, just a fun fact. Just a fun fact. That if Jason is an object, then women are what? I was so scared of it. I try to avoid controversial content, but here we are. I was like, when I finished it, I was editing it, and I was like, I did it. I uploaded it, and then I was like, should I publish it? Should I click the publish button? Should I make it public? Am I not gonna get roasted? Am I not gonna get cancelled? I was sweating. I was like, what the hell? And then I just like, you know what? I just have one life. It's all or nothing. So I pressed published and I just left. I left the room. I went to bed. And it's like, yeah, forget about it. I didn't look at it. And then hours later, I received a bunch of comments. And then I looked at it. And I was like, holy shit! It got 10K. Bam! 1 hour. It reached 10K. And I'm so mind blown. I didn't expect that. So I think it was received well enough. It was received well enough, ladies and gentlemen. Honestly, guys, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Honestly, because of that, I can now confidently say that there's gonna be more content like that. Honestly, I want to make a YouTube short that is educational, but at the same time will make your head like, oh, that was funny. That was funny. I like that. In that Jason video, YouTube short, there are small snippets that will make you think, I get it. I get it. If you're a programmer, if you're a software engineer, and you catch that, what I'm trying to do there, it's for you. Because there are parts there that will make you say, yeah, I get that. I got what you mean by that. It's not very clear for regular ones, for normal people, for non-software engineer. It's not gonna be clear. But if you're a software engineer and you watch that YouTube short, you'll feel like, I get what you mean. Especially the question. Okay, let me give you some tip. The question itself is something that wouldn't make sense to non-software engineer audience. If Jason is an object, then women are what? So that question itself have some two meanings. So it's all up to you to understand what it is. You're so dramatic. I just heard your response to my question and then I heard violence playing. That's what we do here, Jerome. That is what we do here. Rim, hello. Am I late? Yes, you are. I'm about to end the stream in a few minutes. But thank you for coming. I think we're gonna play later if you are available. Should I say that? What else? Did I get something else? No, I don't think so. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to say again, thank you. Thank you to every single one of you. Thank you. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. You can. Guys, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Do we have some females? Do you have females? Do we have females over here? Females. There you are. Love you all. Yeah. Do I know you? Lol. Apparently no. Play what? You do not get it. I meant play, like role play. I was doing role play. What are you talking about? Get out of here. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna end this stream pretty soon. So if you have last questions, remaining messages that you want to share, it's time now, because next week you won't see either of us, and I apologize for that. Okay, I really do. You're making it worse. Should have asked. Well. For the last time, I want to say, I know I've been saying thank you for God knows how long, but it's just how grateful I am to every single one of you who participated today's stream. I see I started as well, but that's okay. That's part of the process. And if that's something that bothers you, I don't think I can help you with that. So guys, it appears that I'll have to leave you now. So thank you to every single one of you who joined tonight's stream. And as always, I will see you after next week. Bye bye. Brofist. Brofist. Bye bye. Bye bye.